So my name is Pooja and I live in Delhi. If I talk about my qualification, I am a postgraduate. Right now, I am a totally housewife, but I used to do job. I did work for you can say 7 to 8 years, and I had been working as a computer operator in like a you can say e-commerce sector. And I was a YouTuber. Right now, I'm not a YouTuber, but I used to make some conversation video, and I uploaded a 200 plus video on my channel. Right now, I'm not consistent on my YouTube channel. So you can say like since 3 months, I didn't upload any video on my YouTube channel. So somehow I broke my consistency and I'm facing again problem while speaking. So I thought that yeah, I should again start my journey. So again, I started to create some like a conversation video because consistency is really very important in the journey of English speaking. And
Right.
I broke my consistency. So again, I'm facing problem. Again, I'm not able to recall word. But before 3 months, you can say I'm fluent. I was fluent before 3 months. But just because of I broke my consistency, I'm again facing problem. So again, I'm like searching some people for making like this type of video.
Okay, so how you reached this like our group, Skype group?
Oh, okay, actually, I'm in this group more than 6 months like ago, but I was not like talking in this group. You know what happened with me? Before 3 months, somebody hacked my YouTube channel. I was
Yeah,
my channel.
I
Yes, yes,
watched
I
that
think
video.
one.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
watched your video. I want to know each and everything. I watched your video, and I followed you a very long time, and I
I
watched your video with the Hati madam. So I promised myself that day, no, I be continue in this journey. I know very well you, but I want know what happened with you.
yeah.
Each and
Let me
everything, because we
explain. Yeah,
aware.
let me explain
Yeah,
what
that's
happened
why
with
in
me.
future
Actually,
we aware each and everything.
yes, yes, yes.
So I want to
Actually,
know.
I don't know like how it's happened with me. Actually, everybody is saying that you just touch any link, but like trust me, I did click on any link. I don't know how my YouTube channel hacked. Like I know that before 3 months on like 4 January, I uploaded one video, and after that somebody just hacked my YouTube channel, and the hacker deleted my all video. I uploaded more than 200 video on my YouTube channel, and the hacker deleted my all video. In starting, I thought that yeah, maybe it's a like technical issue, and my video is showing little less. But when I saw that continuously my video is deleting from my account, so I just thought that yeah, something is fishy. So I suddenly changed my password. I suddenly changed my like Gmail password. Then the hacker stopped, but until he deleted my all video. But yeah, somehow I saved my subscriber, and I don't know like how it's happened with me. I did not touch any link. I did not like. Somebody told that if you like click on any link, so it's happened, but I didn't click on any link. I don't know how it's happened with me. And before 3 months it's happened with me, and I totally stopped my journey. Before I was so much dedicated about learning this language. I was too much consistency. I used to speak 5 hours in a day. But when this incident happened with me, I totally stopped my journey. And now it's been 3 months. I didn't talk with anyone because I went in depression. Yeah, it was my 1 year hard work. I created 200 plus video and somebody deleted my video. I totally went in depression. I like stopped my English speaking journey. I stopped talking with anyone. I stopped my like creating video even. But like some days ago, few days ago, I realized that I'm forgetting everything. Like I forgot lots of vocabulary. I forget lots of sentence rules even. So I thought, no, Puja. Like it's a life. Ups and downs always like happen. But I should not stop my journey. So again, I started my journey again because again I'm facing problem. Before 3 months, I was able to speak everything. But now again, I'm facing problem just because of these things that I was in depression. I like left my consistency. So yeah,
Fancy.
right now I thought that yeah, again I should start my journey.
Yes, right. That's why Sandhya told me about it in this group. Then I again search you, what happened with you, when I watched your that video, like you told each and everything there. So I say, oh, it's not good, we all in YouTube, we have to aware. So that's why I ask each and everything. And when we stop doing anything, whatever we do, even not only for speaking, if we do any kind of work, so when we stop doing, so just we face that problem. So
Yes,
it's a
yes,
good, you start again. And your subscriber, they love you, I also love you very much. I watched lots of your video. So sometime I go your channel and then check you they are uploaded or any video I are not, but you didn't upload. So yeah, when we came back okay, see, not uploading, but it's a very it's a terrible things happen with you. So I'm very happy you started your journey again. So if this your first conversation,
after hearing this, like you are my subscriber, and I really very happy. And I got so many messages also from my subscriber that no, ma'am, I'm with you. You just start your journey again. But what I do, I was totally in depression. That time I was not able to like make any decision. So I totally stopped my journey. But again, I'm thinking that no, Pooja, it was my dream to speak in English because I faced so many difficulty in my life while giving any interview because I'm working from, you can say, I have been working for 7 to 8 years continuously. So in my life I have faced so many difficulties just because of this language, and somehow right now I'm able to speak. And if I break my consistency, so whatever I did hard work in my past, it will be vain if I not
right,
maintain my consistency. So that's
right,
why I thought, no, Pooja, you can't do these things because somehow you are able to speak. And if you will not doing your practice, so you will forget everything. So
right.
after thinking all these things, I thought, no, again, I should start my journey. And I will upload every day one video. I will try to upload now again.
Okay. So is this your first video?
Yeah, this is my first video after 3 months. I will upload with you.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
And
So
really, I inspired from Dehati ma'am a lot. Really, she's
yes,
a very nice lady. Did you talk with Dehati ma'am? Did you get
yeah, I
chance?
yeah, I talked with my third conversation with her. And when I started conversation video, so I messaged with her. So she just replied, and I talked with her. So she said ki I talked, I think 45 minutes I talked with her. So I learned lot of things from them, and lots of suggestions she gave me. Prathna, if you want to achieve anything, so just you do hard work. Don't
Yeah.
ask to anyone, you help me. You do your help your own. So
Nobody
that,
will help you. Yeah, literally. If you want to
yeah,
do something, so you are the only one. You will do hard work for your goal. Nobody will do. Your relative, your friend, no one can see your success. And it's true. It's true,
right.
literally.
Yeah, so she suggests me lot of things. So and literally I never send to message anyone. That person, I send a last email for the Hati madam, and I never send message. I just try myself practice, and I improved a lot. If anyone watch my first video and till now video, so they can see difference between. I was started zero level. In the beginning,
Yes,
I was
yes,
not
same here.
reading. Yeah, I
Same
was
here with
not.
me even. I was
Yeah,
not able to speak a single word. But by making this video, I realized, yeah, I'm improving because you are tracking your journey by making this video, this type of video. Because I also did not know what was my level. I am an intermediate level or beginner level. But when I started creating video, I saw my improvement, and whenever I like saw my improvement, I feel motivate. I bring with motivate. So I thought, yeah, it's a very like we are feel confident even whenever we talk with face to face with someone. So we feel confident even. So video call is really very nice way to improve yourself in English.
right, right. Yeah, and I got lots of friend because before that I was less friend, because I think one and two friend when I before that I was, but now I have lots of friends, and they are different states. So
Yes, yes.
I'm very happy whenever I get free time, so we just talk each other. And video calling is not enough. Only we are make a 2 and 3 video call in a day. But
Mhm.
if you want to improve a lot, so we have to talk more and more.
Yes.
So just
The
I
more you
made
will
lot.
speak English, yeah, the more you will speak English, the more you will get fluency. Yeah, in my earlier days also, I used to speak 5 hours in a day. But nowadays, due to this incident, I totally stopped my journey. But again, I will start. I will definitely start again because I know again I'm facing problem. So I feel really regret why I stopped my journey because ups and downs always comes. So it means not that we should stop our journey. No, we can't stop our journey.
Right. So why you left your job? It's behind any reason?
Yeah, actually I'm pregnant. So that's
Wow,
why.
congratulations.
Thank you. Actually, it's been 5 years. I was like praying for this good news. So when I got this news, so I just immediately left my job because my office is really very far from my home. I used to travel 2 hours, 3 hours in a day. Like I used to travel 5 hours in a day. So when I got
Mhm.
my pregnancy, so I thought that I should like leave my job because
Yes,
okay, because it's really very risky to travel
risk.
5 hours every day. And the condition of road is also not good. Sometimes drivers is driving very badly, they are jumping on the breaker. So I was like I don't want to take any type of risk, so that's
Risk,
why.
right?
Mhm.
Yeah, you did very good.
Yeah, so right now I
Actually,
have my whole day. I can practice as much as I want.
like how do you practice these days? How do you practice English? Like only making video, otherwise you talk to someone on audio
Nowadays,
call.
actually, from today, I started my journey again. So, like, I will start by reading and by talking. And you know that all the four aspects is important. Reading, writing,
Right,
speaking, and listening. Four aspects is important. So, yeah, I will follow each four. Whether I will touch like for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but I will touch all part for 10 to 15
right.
minutes even. But more like I will focus more on speaking part only.
Yes, right. Speaking is must, but as well as listening, and if anyone read writes, so it's good. We get
Yes, yes, yes.
vocabulary as well as like a fluency also. So it's a good. I am also trying. I'm teaching my kids. My kids, they are like one is 8 year old and one is 4 year old. So I used to teach them, and so that time I read, write each and everything I do. And
It's
apart
a
from
really
that, I
It's a really very good, and
yes,
I also want to learn this language for my child, even that because we know that we all are Indian and we face this type of issue just because of environment, because our family member were not able to talk with us. So that's why we face this problem. But I don't want that my children also face this problem. I want that when they like bring up that time I speak in English. They got this
right.
environment from their childhood, so I'm learning
Right.
this language for my children also.
Yeah, same here, dear. I also started for my kids. In my home, no one is speak English. So whenever I see two kids say, "Oh my God, that kid speak so good English," so I tried. Why if I start learning this language, so somehow I get environment to my kids.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, nowadays whenever I talk with my children, so I try to talk in English, and they can understand easily each and everything. Like whenever I talk to someone, so they can hear each and everything. And I try to talk them in English. So yeah, they able to speak. Not much, but they able to
Understand.
speak and able to
Okay, so
understand.
since when have you been learning this language? 1 year, 2 years, since when?
Last 7 month only.
7 months. Okay, yeah, it's really good. And you within a 7 month, you are speaking like that. So it's a really big achievement. And if you will give your upcoming 1 year, so you will be fluent within a year. So just I want to say one thing, just keep doing. Like
Yes.
don't break your consistency like me. I broke my consistency. I'm facing this problem, but don't break. I want to
Yeah,
suggest you should not break your consistency.
I try. I try. Whenever I go my village town, at that time I unable to take any session, and I unable to talk with anyone. So at that time I have to script my like a talking part. Otherwise, I try to talk.
Yeah, nowadays I'm like I have lots of environment, but yeah, like one time, like I had no environment. That time I used to talk with myself. So whenever you find that, yeah, whenever you go your village, so try to talk with your own self. Whatever story you know right now, because everybody listens some story in their childhood, like the thirsty crow, and lots of
Yeah.
story you know. So just try to recite in your own way, like in your mind, just try to recite, just try to
Mm.
like speak. So that type of practice I did a lot whenever I am alone, whenever I alone. So I did this type of practice a lot. But right
Yes.
now, due to you can say this type of group, because right now I have 4 to 5 group on Skype. There is one
Mhm.
only female girl, and there is one mixed group. There is boy and girls both present, and 2 and 3 group my personal, which I like collected some female from some different platform. Like some girl I added from A Fluency, some girl I added from CV application. So I got so many female from there also. So I have some personal group even.